Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. To my ex-mate lecturer, Mr. Ramli as first mentor and Mrs. Endang as second mentor who guide me. Let me introduce myself. I am Sylvia Eka Putri with my number student in 9620190 and 3 are from 3 banking and finance 2 class. In this today, I want to present my final project proposal by the title is The Effect of Credit Risks, Liquidity Risks, and Operational Risks on Profitability at Go Public Conventional Commercial Bank for the period 2017 to 2021. First, research background. Credit risk. This risk arises when a customer or debitor fails to fulfill this obligation to the banks, have effect to profitability. Second, liquidity risk, the risk of not being able to pay debts resulting from cash flow source and or high quality liquid assets without disrupting the activity or financial position of the company or bank, have effect to profitability. And the last, operational risks, the risks caused by the failure of the bank internal processes, human error, technological system failure, or external problem. Why I choose this title? First, research title that there are still some research gaps that have been carried out by previous research. Object of research, I choose conventional commercial bank to go public because in order to be able to know the comparison of the level of bank measurements in profit generating activity through the bank's operational activity. Formulation of the problem. First, what's the effect of independent variable to profitability simultaneously? Second, what the effect of independent variable to profitability partially? Research object to know the effect simultaneously and partially of the independent variable on profitability. Theoretical research, signaling theory, describing on company management in providing guidance on financial and non-financial aspects. Financial report of a company financial information in a accounting period that can be used to describe the company performance, financial performance, an analysis used to see the extent to which a company has carried out using financial implementation rule properly and correctly. Financial ratio is a ratio calculating using financial statement that function as a measuring to examine the company's financial condition and performance. Banking risks, a potential effect, both predictable and unforeseeable, which has a negative impact on the bank's income and capital. Banking risk consistent to credit risks, liquidity risks, and operational risks. Framework and hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, it's assumed that credit risks, liquidity risks, and operational risks have effect to profitability. Hypothesis 2, it assumes that credit risks have effect to profitability. Hypothesis 3, it assumes that liquidity risks have effect to profitability. And the last hypothesis, hypothesis 4, it's assumed that operational risks have effect to profitability. Quality research method. First, quantity, purpose sampling. Secondary data, documentation study, descriptive statistical analysis. Classic assumption test consists to normality test, multicollinearity test, heterogeneity test, and autocorrelation test. Yang 7, multilinear regression analysis, ROA, alpha plus beta 1, NPL plus beta 2, LDR plus beta 3 buku plus error. Research hypothesis test consistent to coefficient of determination, simultaneous significance test, and partial significance test. That's all my presentation of today. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.